Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of SNDK, traded on the Nasdaq. As of January 3, 2026, SNDK is trading at $275.24, marking a significant move over the past 3 months. In this video, we'll break down the key technical indicators, analyze recent price action, and explore what these signals might mean for future trends. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, this report will help you understand the current momentum and risk factors surrounding SNDK. Let's begin by setting the stage with a quick overview of the recent market environment and SNDK's position within it. Over the last 3 months, SNDK has experienced a remarkable rally. Starting from lows near $116 in early October, the stock has climbed steadily, closing at $275.24 on January 2nd. This upward momentum is supported by strong trading volumes, especially during key breakout sessions. The price action shows a series of higher highs and higher lows, a classic sign of a bullish trend. Notably, the most recent sessions saw a sharp jump from $244 to $275, indicating renewed buying interest and possibly the start of a new leg up. Let's look at how this price movement aligns with technical indicators. Short-term moving averages such as the 5-day and 10-day SMAs and EMAs are all trending above $240, with the 5-day SMA at $249.43 and the EMA at $252.17. These averages are well above the longer-term averages, confirming the recent bullish momentum. The alignment of these short-term averages above the current price suggests that buyers have been in control and any pullbacks have been quickly bought up. This is a positive sign for traders looking for continued upward movement in the near term. Looking at the medium and long-term moving averages, we see a strong upward slope. The 50-day SMA is at $222.23, and the 200-day SMA is at $98.38, both well below the current price. This wide gap between the current price and the long-term averages is a hallmark of a powerful uptrend. However, it can also indicate that the stock is overextended in the short term, so traders should be alert for potential corrections or consolidations. Bollinger Bands provide insight into volatility and potential reversal points. For SNDK, the upper band sits at $267.54, the middle at $231.28, and the lower at $195.02. The current price is above the upper band, suggesting the stock is in an overbought condition. The Bollinger Band width of 0.314 indicates moderate volatility. When price is close above the upper band, it often signals either a strong breakout or a potential pullback as traders take profits. Momentum indicators like MACD, RSI, and stochastic oscillator are crucial for gauging the strength of the current trend. The MACD value is 10.81, with a positive histogram and momentum, indicating bullish acceleration. The RSI 14 is at 65.77, approaching overbought territory but not yet extreme. Stochastic K14 is at 75.35, also suggesting strong momentum. These readings collectively point to a market that is trending strongly upward, but traders should be cautious of potential exhaustion. Volume analysis reveals that SNDK has seen significant trading activity, with a recent daily volume of over 11 million shares and a dollar volume exceeding $3 billion. The on-balance volume OBV is at 93.5 million, and the Money Flow Index MFI 14 is at 68.31, both supporting the bullish case. High volume on up days and positive money flow suggest that institutional investors are participating in the rally, adding credibility to the move. Volatility measures are essential for understanding risk. SNDK's ATR 14 is at 20.4, and the NATR 14 is 7.41. Indicating elevated volatility. The true range and volatility breakout values also point to a market with wide price swings. While volatility can create opportunities for traders, it also increases the risk of sharp reversals. It's important to manage position sizes and set stop losses accordingly in such an environment. The ADX 14 value of 29.05 and trend strength score of 0.413 indicate a moderately strong trend. The Trend Quality Index is at 66.72, suggesting that the current uptrend is both robust and sustainable. The run-up indicator is at 100, while a run-down is at 20, further confirming the dominance of the bullish trend. These metrics collectively reinforce the idea that SNDK is in a healthy uptrend, though not without the possibility of short-term corrections. Key support and resistance levels provide important reference points for traders. The nearest support is at $254.23, while resistance is at $286.03. The current price sits just below resistance, suggesting that a breakout above $286 could trigger further upside. Conversely, a drop below support may signal a short-term pullback. Pivot points and these levels should be monitored closely for potential trading opportunities. Linear regression analysis shows a predicted price of $262.49, with a slope of 1.91 and an R-squared value of 0.612. This suggests a statistically significant upward trend over the past 3 months. The deviation from the regression line is $12.75, or about 4.86%, indicating that the current price is somewhat above the expected trend, possibly due to recent momentum or news-driven events. The risk-reward ratio for SNDK is currently at 0.0065, which is quite low. This means that while the potential for further gains exists, the risk of a sharp correction is also present. Traders should weigh the possibility of profit against the likelihood of a pullback, especially given the elevated volatility and overbought signals from several indicators. Proper risk management is essential in this scenario. SNDK's overall technical score stands at 77.64, with a momentum score of 384.49. These high values reflect the strong bullish sentiment and the stock's impressive performance over the last quarter. However, as with any strong rally, it's important to remain vigilant for signs of reversal or exhaustion. Monitoring these scores alongside other indicators can help traders stay ahead of sudden market shifts. To better understand the analysis, let's briefly review some key technical concepts. Moving averages help smooth out price data to identify trends, while momentum indicators like MACD and RSI measure the speed and strength of price movements. Bollinger Bands show volatility and potential reversal points. Support and resistance levels act as psychological barriers for price action. Understanding these concepts is crucial for interpreting technical analysis reports like this one. In summary, SNDK has demonstrated strong bullish momentum, supported by positive technical indicators and robust trading activity. While the trend remains upward, overbought signals and elevated volatility suggest that caution is warranted. Traders should watch for confirmation of a breakout above resistance or signs of a pullback. As always, maintaining disciplined risk management and staying informed will be key to navigating the next phase of SNDK's journey. Thank you for joining this technical analysis deep dive.